What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. For those of you that are new, again, my name is Chaz Barber. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. Today I wanted to teach you guys something. It's called the Kelly bottom placement, and it's actually one of my favorite controls. It's a way of taking a card out of the middle of the deck from a dribble and placing it back into the middle, or making it seem like it's back into the middle, and then you can actually have the selection on the bottom of the deck. The earliest credit that I was able to find is Tarbell Volume 3 from Frank Kelly. I could be wrong on that, but I am trying to credit it here properly. But it's really good, it's really fun, and let's just check it out. Alright, so let's get into the mechanics of this. I like to start with the deck in overhand grip. With that, I start with my right hand, 3 fingers, so pinky, ring, middle at the front of the deck, index finger curled around at the top, and thumb on the back. What I'm going to do is that you dribble the cards into your left hand. As you're dribbling, you ask the spectator to say stop, and no matter what card they stop at, that is the one that you show. Right there. In the motion of putting the cards back down, you're going to take their selection and you're going to make a space with it just like that. See, so it creates a little cushion there. Okay, so there's a little bit of a break in between their selection and the pack. Now the way that I do this is that you do the dribble, they say stop, and really you're only pulling with your ring and your pinky. So you pull kind of down and more to the right. So again, it's down and more to the right as you're making the motion of putting the cards back. Now with putting the cards back, what it is that their selection is going to actually go underneath of the pack. Right there. Now it's good because it's actually covered by your right hand as well. So again, it's pull down to the right, selection goes underneath the pack as you square up the cards, and then you can dribble again. Right there. Pretty easy, pretty simple to follow. We'll go through it again step by step. Hands in overhand grip, dribble. They say stop. Show them the card. Down to the right, breaks off. The rest of the cards go on top while the selection goes underneath. Square everything up, and then you have the selection on the bottom. From there you can do a reveal, or you can control it and do whatever trick that you need to have the card down at the bottom of the deck. But other than that, that's it. Pretty easy. Well, that was it. I hope that you guys enjoyed that and that you can get some use out of it. Like I said, it is one of my favorite controls out there. Even just to be done as a standalone thing, making the card look like it goes into the middle, but then you can do your magical gesture and have it show up at the bottom. It's a really fun thing to do with the deck of playing cards. If you like that, please don't forget to go ahead to like, comment, and subscribe. It really makes me feel good. And until next time, as always, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.